So to show you from the side, mounting hardware. "12" wide on the base, pass through the bottom.